Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to sublimate on these earrings, the MDF Sublimation Blanks, and we're going to show you how to make these earrings. So let's get started. Okay, so we purchased these earrings on Amazon. It's like a kit. And you get several different shapes of earrings, and you get tassels, and you get the cards and the packaging for when you're ready to sell them. You also get the hardware and everything you need to make and sell these earrings. So we're gonna sublimate a few of them to show you how it's done. The first thing you need to do is, you can't see it on there, but there's plastic film on both sides. Make sure you take that plastic film off. It's very difficult to get off. Right there, it's very thin, barely visible, but it is on there. And it is on both sides. So make sure you remove this plastic protective film. We've already removed from the others that we're going to do, but I want to show you that. Okay, so now I've got off of both sides. We printed out some designs, and you can get those on Etsy. That's where I got these. You may have to adjust the size of them a little bit, but you want it to be slightly bigger than the earring. You don't want it to be smaller. You're going to have a white edge around it. So I'm going to go ahead and tape that on. We're going to do one side first, and then we're going to do the other side. So I've got these ready to go, and we're going to use this press, this heat press. I've got it set for 370 for 60 seconds. And it's ready to go. You're going to need butcher paper on the bottom. And then we're going to just take our earrings, place some paper up like this. And so the paper will be on the top and the earrings will be on the bottom. We're going to take another sheet of butcher paper and put that on the top. And we're going to let this go for 60 seconds. And then we'll continue. Okay, we've got a few seconds left. And we'll go ahead and open this up. Okay. Make sure you have heat gloves on. Butcher paper. And we're going to take these off of here. And they're very hot. You can let them cool down for a minute. I'm going to go ahead and peel this one off so you can see. Here's one side done. And we're just going to take the tape off of it. And then we'll repeat this process and do the other side. So let me go ahead and get these ready. And we'll continue from there. Okay, so what I'm doing here, we're just going to sublimate the other side of the earrings. So we're going to put the blank side down on the design. Make sure you have it centered pretty good so you don't have any white lines around the edge. And you don't have to have the same design on both sides. I mean, you can change it. You can have a different design on both sides, but we put the same design on both sides of our earrings. And then we'll just tape them down like that. Something this small doesn't move that much. And I'm just going to place these face down again, like that. Put our butcher paper on top. And we'll set this for 370 for 60 seconds. And we'll let those heat, and we'll continue from there. Okay, our time is up. Go ahead and remove these. turn this off. They cool down pretty quick. Okay. You pull it off. There you have both sides. There's one. Here's the other one. Now, the rest are still on there, but you're going to take them off the same way. Now all we have to do is, once we have our earrings, we're going to get one of these little rings right here. And you're going to put a tassel on it. And then you're going to put an earring. This is the part I don't like, because my fingers are too big. Put the earring loop on there. And then we're going to put the earring, and then you get a small pair of pliers, and you just attempt to squeeze it together. Just like that. There's your earring. And I messed that one up because I actually squeezed on the earring. So try not to do that. So that won't be trash. But at least you're learning what not to do when you put these on here. So again, we're going to get the little ring and put the tassel. You don't have to put a tassel on there if you want. I mean, they come with it. And then put everything on this ring. And take a pair of pliers and try not to squeeze on the actual earring like I did. Especially if you got small fingers. And you just squeeze that loop together. Like that. Then you have your earring. And this one I didn't mess up. And then, when you have two good earrings, you're going to get your backing. Packaging for your... They come with these. Just put your earrings on there like this. Like that. That's how you can display them. Then you can get your little cellophane package. And there's a hole on the top here ready to be punched out. I'll go ahead and punch it out. They just slide up in here. Like this. Well, there's another one right here, so you don't have to use that one on the card. And then you peel off this paper right here at the bottom. And then just fold it over. I guess I should have put this in the other way. But anyway, you get the idea. And in mine, is what I do is I print out cards and put it in there also with our name and what, you know, obviously they're earrings, but there's what you could do. It just looks better if you have a backing on it like this. And these are already pre-punched at the top here, so you don't have to knock out that hole right there. But yep, that's how you sublimate earrings. Hopefully this will help you when you're ready to do yours. Please like and subscribe. I'll put the link to these particular earrings right here. And thanks for watching. Have a great day.